How can we get the content of the element clicked? To get the content of the element which is clicked, we can handle the click event by giving the onClick attribute, and the event handler will receive the synthetic event. So in the synthetic event, there is a property called target which contains the targeted element, and the target has a property called inner HTML which returns the content of the particular element. Let's say we have a button and we passed the function in the onClick event like this, and in the function the synthetic event will be received as E, and the function will print the value of e.target.innerHTML. Let me check the output, and the moment I click on the click me button, the text is displayed in the console.